In this video, I will show you guys step by step how you can download Amazon videos to your laptop for free just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So for example, if you want to download Amazon videos, you want for example to use those videos for your products or for to put those videos in your account, I will show you step by step how you can do it. Okay, so for example, we have this Amazon video products over here. As you can see, guys, we have here videos. If we click over here,
brings the best quality content possible.
You guys can see that you guys can see, like I said, that we have this video, for example, and I want to download this video to my laptop. So what I will do, I just need to click on this extension over here, and here you go. See, it's the same video. I just need to click on download. Okay, so if you want to start download those videos from Amazon, you need to go over here, click on this 3 points over here, and go to extension and click on visit Chrome Web Store. Okay, and you will be directly in this Chrome Web Store over here, as you can see. And what you will do, you need to search for this extension. Let me show you. You need to search for this one, Amazon Video Downloader. Okay, so let's search for Amazon Video, this one. Okay, search for this extension and click over here on add to Chrome. I already have this one, you guys can see here. So for you, you should click here on add to Chrome, and that's it, and you will be able to start downloading videos from Amazon like this. Okay, super easy. So for example, if I click here, I have those videos. I can download any video that I want. I just need to click on download like this, and you just need to wait a few seconds for this video to come here, and this is your video, you guys can see. And you also will be able to download this video in high quality. Okay, you just need to click over here on download video, or you can click here and click on download. That's it. That's how you can download videos from Amazon. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.